Hello everyone, welcome to Elora's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Today let's check how to make this delicious chili gobi dry. So take half cup of all-purpose flour or maida, 1/4 cup of corn flour, salt as per your taste, red chili powder half teaspoon, ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon, add water as per required. I have taken little less than half cup of water and mix them well. Make sure there is no lumps and make a thick batter. The consistency should be like this. It should not be more thin. If it is getting watery, then add little more flour. Then add the cauliflower florets around 2 cups and give them a good mix. Make sure it is getting sticking well to the cauliflower florets like this. Now deep fry them in hot oil. Fry them in batches, cook them for 4 to 5 minutes and then remove to a plate. Make sure the oil is hot enough. Do not cook them in medium heat or low heat. Cook them in high heat so that they will be crispy. Same way deep fry the remaining cauliflower florets. Cook them again for 3 to 4 minutes and remove them to a plate. Now take another pan, add 3 teaspoons of oil, some minced ginger garlic and some green chili. Cook them for 1 minute. Add onion 1/4 cup, some bell pepper and then cook them in high flame in 1 minute. You do not need to overcook them. Then add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, chili sauce 2 teaspoon and tomato sauce 1 teaspoon and vinegar 1 teaspoon. Mix everything well once and then add the cauliflower florets. Give them a good mix and finally add some pepper powder on top. If you have some green onion, you can add them. Spring onion, you can add them too. And your delicious chili gobi dry is ready to serve. Do try this recipe and let me know your comment in the feedback section. Thank you everyone for watching.